step into the 2007 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear defroster, premium wheels, center armrest, heated seats, leather seats, bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip odometer and security system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.